Hello everyone, and this is the Drawing and Cartoon Starter Kit. If you always wanted to get into drawing or cartoons and you don't know how, this is the guide for you. And I always wanted to make this video for a while now, or ever since I made the drawing time videos, but I didn't want to record like I guess you can call this a storytime animation. Not really a storytime animation because it's more like a tutorial animation, but a little like something like down to earth kind of cartoon for you guys. I will split this into two guides, the traditional art and digital art. And there are many tools you can use for both of these type of art and stuff. Let's start off with traditional art first. And the first thing you might want to get is your basic pencil and sketchbook. So how do you get a sketchbook? Well, every major store has like an art section that sells sketchbooks, from your basic Walgreens to your Walmarts. Or if you want like a very fancy sketchbook, I kind of recommend you open up my Amazon account and try to order sketchbooks from Amazon as well. And sketchbooks are pretty cheap. They can range from at least $10 to $15 each for each sketchbook. If you want to learn how to do basic drawings, you can always tune into my YouTube channel and we'll turn into my drawing playlist and watch all the drawing videos. Or you can just watch any kind of how to draw video on YouTube. I just, a little plug for myself. Sketchbooks can vary in size depending on which style of sketchbook you want. You can get like a small pocket sketchbook for basic doodling, or you can get like a bigger sketchbook for basic like drafts, like let's say comics or animation ideas you want to make. Haven't eaten a really sweet snack ever since your childhood because you had to eat healthier when you're an adult? Well, get diabetes faster with Little Abby's Honey Smacks. As I was saying, there's a traditional way you can make cartoons with, traditional art. And there's two kinds of videos you can make with traditional art. You can make your basic flip books, or you can just do like a photo animation where you take a picture of each drawing and you edit them to feature like an animation that way. I guess you can call this photo animation. And now you have your first sketchbook. There are other tools I didn't mention, such as, charcoal pencils, color pencils, watercolor pencils, and I guess you say painting or oil painting as well. You can start off by drawing your own original character, or if you don't know what to draw, you can just do fan art instead. Keep in mind that when you start to upload art online, be knowledgeable of critics, fans, and trolls alike. And that's been my starter guide on traditional art. Maybe I'll do digital art in another animation. If you guys like to see me do more of these style of videos, more of these like chill style of cartoon videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and that's it.